Bureau Meteorology has various warnings in place, starting off with a gale warning for the southeast coast, southwest, central west coast, strong wind warning the far northwest, the central north, Bent Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, upper east, lower east coast. Welcome to a update from the Force 13 Australia Oceania channel. And the weather is going to become more interesting as we head into the weekend, and we have some footage of the Doppler wind, strong wind warning for the west coast, lower west, central coast, south central coast, Investigator Strait. Upper southeast and lower southeast coast. Hazardous surf warning remains in place for the Byron, Goths, Macquarie and Hunter coasts. Now we have a look at the BSCH website. It's a GFS wind probability model. The information's in the bottom left corner. Each of these images are free outie, and this goes out to tomorrow afternoon. Bureau Meteorology's 12-hourly rainfall outlook. The rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen, and again it's going to be the ACT, Victoria and Tasmania. The Bureau's total forecast of rain, and look at that area in green. And it goes to dark green. And the Pivotal Weather website, the GFS accumulated precipitation, and the scales at the bottom of the screen. Not much going on at this point in time across the Australian region. All the activity is up there in the West Pacific, where Force 13 continues to provide regular updated information on the 4 systems.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.